Watch this video until the end and listen to this important message.
Today, I want to share a valuable tip with you on how to get your lucky numbers based on your age. It's a simple technique that will help you determine your personalized and individual lucky numbers using your own energy. Each person has their own unique energy, which is why your lucky numbers may be different from others. So, I invite you to watch this video until the end so that you can receive your own lucky numbers. To do this, we will need the following information: your year of birth, as it has mystical and cosmic energy; your current age, as each age represents a unique energetic cycle; and the number 7, which is a sacred number representing the realization and materialization of desires. Let's get started. Please grab a sheet of paper, it can be blank or from a notebook, and a pen to jot down your numbers after doing some calculations. Alright, let's go. First, write your year of birth twice. For example, if your year of birth is 1985, write it like this: 1985, 1985. Alright, now let's move forward. So, we have our year of birth written here. You will put your year of birth in this column. Now, below it, we will put plus and minus signs. The plus sign represents positive energies, and the minus sign represents negative energies. This balance of energies in our numbers is important. The negative energies listed here will not disrupt anything. They will only serve to balance our energies. The universe itself is composed of a balance of energies. Now, I'll draw a line here to better separate everything. I'll use another pen to make it easier to keep track. Okay, we'll put lines here just for the video so that you can identify and separate them. You can also do the same to make this formula easier. Now, under the signs, we're going to write our current age. Let's repeat our current age in each of these columns as follows. In this case, I'm 37 years old. I'll write 37 years old here, with the 3 and the 7 separated, and I'll repeat it below for the next columns, until we reach the end of the columns. Alright, now we'll draw a line under the age, and we'll start doing the calculation. The first calculation is to add the numbers. We'll take the numbers normally. For example, 3 plus 1 is 4. 9 plus 7 is 16. 8 plus 3 is 11. 5 plus 7 is 12. Now, when we get to the subtraction part, we'll do the following. We'll always subtract the largest number by the smallest number. Okay, let's do it. 3 minus 1 is 2. 9 minus 7 is 2. 8 minus 3 is 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. Now, at this moment, we're going to use the positive and negative signs again to balance our calculation. Let's put them again. And now, under the signs, we are going to use the number 7. The number 7, as I told you before, is the number of materialization and realization. This is the mystical number, the number that is used a lot, so it will be used in this calculation. Where there is a plus sign, you just add normally, and where there is a minus sign, you will take the largest number and subtract it by the smallest number. Let's do that. 4 plus 7 is 11. 16 plus 7 is 23. 11 plus 7 is 18. 12 plus 7 is 19. Now, here in this part, we use the largest number first and then the smallest numbers. 7 minus 2 is 5. 7 minus 2 is 5 again. 7 minus 5 is 2. And 7 minus 2 is 5 again. Okay, Here we have the lucky numbers for you according to your age. Check it out. 11, 23, 18, 19, 55 and 25. In addition to these numbers, you can use them as you wish to find other numbers. You can eliminate the numbers that are repeated, or you can add them to 55 or 25. For example, you can also use the numbers to form tens, hundreds, and thousands. Take the number 11 here, for example. You can combine 11 with 2 to get 112, which is an example. If you want to form 1,000 from this number, 5,525, then you can do it according to what you feel. These are the base numbers that you are going to use. Okay, you are going to assemble these numbers and use them in combinations according to the sequence you want, the sequence that you feel comfortable with, and that your heart is somehow indicating for you. So, that's it. These are your lucky numbers according to your age. I hope you liked it. Type Amen if you feel abundant. Watch this important message right now.